Transform your laptop into a powerful streaming hub and unlock a world of live television with YouTube TV. Whether you prefer browsing directly through a web browser or utilizing a dedicated app, connecting your laptop to YouTube TV is a straightforward process designed to enhance your viewing experience. Let's start with the most accessible method using your web browser first. Open your preferred web browser on your laptop in the address bar. Type in the official YouTube TV web address, which is youtube.com TV, and press enter to navigate to the page. Once the YouTube TV page loads, you'll see a prominent sign in button, typically located in the top right corner. Click on this button to proceed with logging into your YouTube TV account. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your YouTube TV login credentials. Carefully input your email address associated with your YouTube TV subscription and then your password. Make sure to double check for any typos before clicking the sign in button. Congratulations! You are now logged into your YouTube TV account on your laptop. You'll see the familiar YouTube TV interface displaying live channels, on-demand content, and your personalized recommendations on a larger, more immersive screen. This web browser approach offers great flexibility, allowing you to multitask or easily switch between YouTube TV and other websites, all while enjoying your favorite shows and sports. For an even more streamlined experience, you might consider using a dedicated YouTube TV app if one is available for your laptop's operating system. However, for most users, the web browser method is all you need to get started. With YouTube TV connected to your laptop, you can now enjoy all your favorite live channels, sports broadcasts, and entertainment content on a bigger screen, expanding your viewing possibilities. Enjoy the expanded entertainment that comes with connecting your laptop to YouTube TV.